Today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy color change working with this Loop It yarn. So here I was working with the coral and I changed it to the aquamarine. So I'm going to show you how to make that color change, and let's get started. I hate sewing in yarn tails, so this is a quick and easy way for you to be able to change your color and not have to sew in one of your yarn tails. So right here where I made this last loop, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend this yarn, working yarn, back around, and I'm going to actually double up on these loops inside this stitch. So I'm going to pull these last two stitches out, and I'm going to bend it around, and I'm going to lay them right on top of each other, and I'm going to pull these double loops through the stitch. Instead of having one loop, I'm going to pull them both through. Okay, so now here's my other loop, and I'm going to double it up and put that through. There you go. That way you don't have to sew in any yarn tails. See the two loops there? So when I start my next row, I'm going to treat this as I would just one loop of yarn and knit right into it. And what it's going to do, it's going to hide this yarn so I don't have to sew in a yarn tail. So I've got my aquamarine. I've already made my yarn tail on it. I'm going to take this first loop and push it through. I'm going to knit right through that, pull it through from the back to the front. I have this yarn tail. I'm just going to leave it hanging, and once I come back the other way and finish this color, I'm going to just sew this tail in. And I'm going to take this loop and I'm going to push it through both of those, and you see how it lays flat there, and on the back you can't even tell as you get your project done. And just like that, it was a quick and easy color change. And that's the great thing about this Loop It yarn. If you wanted to actually do 4 or 5 loops, you could have done that all the way back down if you feel like you need more of it to be secure. And when I take this yarn tail here and I sew it in, I'm going to go back and forth through here, and it'll also keep this secure as well when I sew my yarn tail in. So it'll help secure that down. And you just keep going along with your project and knitting along. Just like that, we did a color change. Watch out for the next 2 videos. I'm going to show you how to finish off a project by fastening off your top row, and I'll also show you some easy hacks on how to fix your yarn if you accidentally leave a loop loose. So be on the lookout for that. Have a great day and see you soon.